वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन.
An eye for eye only ends up making the whole world blind. His words, just like his thoughts, were noble and great, which accorded him with the title of Mahatma. Today, as we celebrate the 152nd birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, or better remembered by the history as the father of our nation, the entire world take a turn back to look at his life as a lawyer, a freedom fighter who tread the path of non-violence, and as a great humanitarian. We, the students of class 12th, are here to pay a homage to our dear Bapuji. Let's start our celebrations with a speech by Parvati R. Pillai.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Parvati R. Pillai of Humanities. The 2nd of October is a day to embrace the timeless teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. One of his famous lessons, see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil, was made popular by the proverbial three monkeys, Bapu, Ketan and Bandar. Of course, you've heard of the three monkeys that are always mentioned along with Gandhi's name. But have you also heard of how they came to be with him in the first place? Most of the people who came to see Gandhi sought his advice on something or the other. But one day came a party of visitors from China. Gandhiji, we have bought you a small gift, they said. It is no bigger than a child's toy, but it is famous in our country. To Gandhi's delight, it was a set of three monkeys that later became so well known and to be kept carefully with him for the rest of his life. Thank you.
Gandhiji was born on the 2nd of October 1869 at Porbandar in the present-day Indian state of Gujarat. He pursued his early education at home and was sent to England for further studies. He became a lawyer and was soon sent to South Africa, where he led his first struggle against injustice. So, to throw light on his life and struggles, here we have Anne and Judy.
Today we celebrate the 152nd birth anniversary of Gandhiji, also known as Mahatma Gandhi and the father of the nation, on Saturday 2nd October 2021. This day is also known as Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of Indian independence movements and was popular for his non-violence means. He became an active part of Indian freedom struggle in the early 20th century.
Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from indomitable will. The will to live and the will to survive. Mahatma Gandhi showed us exactly that from his struggles. These pandemic days showed us that strength does not come from a person's social status, age, gender, etc. Rather, it comes through his indomitable will to live. Happy Gandhi Jayanti Day to you all.
Very warm good morning and happy Gandhi Jayanti to everyone. Today IIT Malika of class 12D is here to deliver a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2 to commemorate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. He was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist and political ethicist. His birthday is a national holiday in India, and globally this day is celebrated as an International Day of Non-Violence. Today multiple programs are being organized in every nook and corner of the nation, like campaigns, rallies, poster making, speeches, etc. The educational institutions like schools, colleges, they organize many programs like speeches, essay writing competitions, for students to inculcate integrity, simplicity, and patriotism in their students. Mahatma Gandhi, who spent a simple life, who had a simple lifestyle, who eats simple vegetarian foods and wore simple clothes, also undertook long fasts for self-purification and also for as a political protest. He taught his followers and also the whole world the principle of ahimsa. So I conclude my words by wishing all of you a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.
Bapuji's life was a colorful lesson to people all around the globe. His fight for humanity, peace, unity, and freedom paved a new path of realization for many. And now it's time to give a creative twist to our celebrations.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहे से पीड़ पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहे से पीड़ पराई जाने रे पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये मन अभिमान नाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहे जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे सकल लोक मां सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे केने रे सकल लोक मां सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे केने रे वाच काच मन निश्चल राहे धन धन जननी तेरी रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहे जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे
Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends, this is indeed a proud moment for me, Aryan, from class 12A, to be amidst you all to present on the major events associated with the life of a father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. This is even special as the nation is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, remembering our father of the nation. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in the state of Gujarat, India in 1869. He returned to India in 1891, then accepted a job at an Indian law firm in South Africa. When he was about to return to India, he heard that a law was going to be passed to prevent Indian people from voting. He decided to draw attention to this injustice and became an activist. Eventually, the government was forced to seek a compromise with Gandhi, and when he left South Africa, conditions for the Indian people had greatly improved. In 1930, Gandhi led a 248-mile march to the sea as a protest against a tax on salt. Thousands joined him in the making of salt of their own. Over 60,000 people were arrested. In 1933, Gandhi went on a fast for 21 days to draw attention to the treatment of the very poorest people in India, who he called the children of God. It was at this time that Gandhi became known as Mahatma, which means great soul. By 1948, Gandhi's campaign had weakened the British government's hold on the country. It was decided to divide India into two separate countries, India and Pakistan. Gandhi was strongly opposed to this idea but was forced to agree because of the threat of a civil war. A few days later, on January 30th, 1948, Gandhi was shot by a Hindu fanatic on his way to a prayer meeting in Delhi. In India, Gandhi is often called the father of the nation. Gandhi's birthday, October 2nd, is a public holiday in India. Let's imbibe good values put forward by Gandhiji and make India truly experience the spirit of independence. Thank you.
Independent India. It's not just the effort of our freedom fighters, but it's the result of all their endless emotions, values, and teachings. Gandhiji's dreams about a peaceful and free India was the one that gave him the strength to lead such a massive freedom struggle against the British Raj with just a stick. So his remembrance remains incomplete without paying a tribute to our motherland. Let's join our hands to hail Mother India. देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। सिलसिला ये बात मेरी यूं ही चलना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मेरी नस नस तार कर दो और बना दो एक सितार, राग भारत मुझ पे छेड़ो, छन छनाओ बार बार। देश से ये प्रेम आँखों से छलकना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए।